The Ram 1500's dirty little secret. That famous Ram ride? That cloud on wheels feeling? It's the most brilliant deception in American trucks today. You bought the promise of luxury, that magic carpet ride that makes every other pickup feel primitive. And it delivers. But here's the truth nobody tells you. That plush comfort is just the opening act. What you're actually driving is a shapeshifter, a machine with two completely different personalities fighting for control. Until you understand both, you're only using half the truck you paid for. This is the story of Ram's four-corner air suspension. We threw out the old clunky steel coils and replaced them with four sophisticated air springs. These aren't just parts, they're high-tech pillows of air, fed by a dedicated compressor, watched by sensors, and managed by a computer that thinks faster than you can blink. The real magic happens when you put it to work. Hook up a heavy trailer and watch what happens. The truck feels the weight. Within seconds, the compressor kicks in, pumping air into the rear bags, lifting the bed back to perfect level. Your headlights stay true. Your steering stays sharp. The truck fixes the problem itself. But that's just the warm-up. The real show starts with the drive modes. Take off-road mode. You turn that dial and the truck rises up, ready for battle. But here's what nobody tells you. This high stance has a governor. Push past 25 miles per hour and it settles back down. Not because it failed, because it's smart enough to know when to be tough and when to be sensible. Then there's the secret weapon, tow/haul mode. Most people think it's just for pulling heavy loads. They're wrong. When you're hauling, it transforms the transmission, holding gears longer, delivering aggressive downshifts, giving you pure power on demand. But press that button on an empty back road, and something magical happens. Your luxury truck awakens as a muscle car. The transmission gets crisp and urgent. The exhaust note drops from a whisper to a growl. This is the insider's secret, the truck's true second soul. The transformation continues on the highway, where it drops into aero mode to slice through the wind, or when it kneels in entry/exit mode to welcome your family. This isn't just a truck, it's a chameleon that adapts to your every need. But all this genius comes with a price. That cloud-like ride comes from a web of complex parts far removed from simple leaf springs. The air compressor can fail. The system can struggle in deep freeze. When things go wrong, the repair bills will make your eyes water. So here's the real American choice. Do you want the unparalleled versatility that can transform from luxury limousine to rugged off-roader at the push of a button? Or do you choose the simple, proven reliability of traditional suspension? The choice is yours. But now you know the whole truth. So what's it going to be?